we all work to rebound from the COVID-19 pandemic, we have new data tonight that frankly shows an alarming number of lives lost last year in El Paso County because of the lethal drug fentanyl. Our Colette Bordelon spoke with the county coroner today and recovery specialist about why we need to focus on this now to save lives in the future. Colette?
While there's no doubt COVID has impacted every part of our lives, the coroner says it's hard to completely blame the virus for this spike. We've been talking about fentanyl coming for years now, and the numbers are starting to show just how destructive this drug is. Back before the world turned upside down.
Addiction is very similar to a virus.
The El Paso County Coroner, Dr. Leon Kelly, showed me around his office.
I refer to fentanyl as sort of the granddaddy of them all when it comes to drugs of abuse.
He says before 2015, they rarely even saw it in his office. Then slowly but surely, the deaths began creeping up until 2020, where it more than doubled in El Paso County and also marked the highest total for the surrounding counties he serves.
You see that translate from what we see in the city out into the rural areas. Just shows you how impactful something like this is.
The deaths in 2020 are mainly fentanyl related, meaning other drugs were mixed in.
You don't know where it could be or what it's in.
Fentanyl can be made into a powder and combined with other drugs, taking on a sort of disguise. For example, as prescription pills. And recovery coach Sparkle Lindsay lost a friend to fentanyl in 2020.
She took it, thought it was a Percocet, and they found her dead in the bathtub.
A life we can never get back.
If we pay more attention to it, we can get people the right resources to start taking their lives back.
But Lindsay is living proof. Recovery is possible.
We know we're not promised tomorrow and that today will never come again. So I always ask that question, what are you going to do with it?
If you or anyone you know is struggling with addiction, please don't wait to get help. There are many local agencies here. I already have links to Springs, Recovery Connection, and others on KOAA.com. But if you need to talk to someone right now, the Colorado Crisis Services hotline is 1-844-493-8255. Always watching out for you, El Paso County. Colette Bordelon, News 5.
So important.